Greetings colleagues, the systematization of business processes is what any business should do at all stages of its development. With the development of technology and competition in the provision of various services for businesses, the cost of services for business becomes cheaper. For example, last week I talked about how to launch own cloud service by simply purchasing and running a ready-made platform. Many business processes can be automated or systematized in different ways, or based on different services, as is the case with the project that I launched. Let me remind you that you have certain giveaways within this service. Do not forget to watch this video, the link is in the description of the video. Accordingly, the implementation or automation of a business process does not have to be expensive. And, in some cases, what is sold to a large business at cost price may cost the same as it would cost for a small business, or with a difference of hundreds or thousands of times for different types of business. It already depends on the art of selling and customer service. Next time we will talk about this in detail. Today, a few words about the Engagebay marketing platform as a tool for systematizing certain business processes. This video is a quick look at the functionality of the service. In short, when faced with the platform, I liked it. Until the moment when I met this post on Quora, I did not know anything about Engagebay. Let's start with the marketing component. Like any marketing platform, all functionality is built around customer information. We can create customer contacts by filling out only basic information, or a complete customer card, depending on your business processes. You can work with different types of lead forms. These are forms that collect information about your customers. Email is the main element for collection because those collected emails will not allow future marketing email campaigns. Forms can be placed both within your existing website, and within Engagebay services, you have the opportunity to create your landing page without being tied to any other platform. The number of landing page templates is not as large as that of specialized platforms such as Wix or Shopify, but this number is for starting the first processes of your business or testing certain hypotheses and ideas in your business. All of the functionalities are interconnected. You can create email templates for the already mentioned mailings and other types of marketing activities. In some cases, they will certainly ask you for money, of course. In the sales section, we also work with contacts, but the main emphasis is on all such deals. They are also called leads in some systems. There are different types of funnels and types of deals. We can also control the way deals are displayed. Good service is made up of subtle details. Section with tasks. I rarely observed that a small business could use this section for its intended purpose, however, I recommend using it, at least for key tasks and important ones. Calendar of events, just don't forget to refresh the page. Although there is a confidence that when you watch this video, it will already be updated automatically. Service section. It is a support system for your business. When customers have problems and you need to handle these issues in some way. Support is usually a pain in the service business. Everyone knows Jira, but this service desk is also functional. Moreover, there is an interesting and functional toolkit for automating work with tickets. The presence of the API will allow you to make those integrations that are not among the standard ones. Live chat. In one of the videos, we searched for live chat according to certain criteria. Also be sure to watch this video, where you will learn about live chat where there is integration with Slack. But if you approach the use of live chat without special requirements, then this functional one, I am sure, also covers most of the needs. Verdict: buy and use. Very recommended for small businesses that are ready to start systematizing their business processes.